Welcome to another video. If you are new here, please don't forget to subscribe, like, share and comment. And if you are returning subscribers, please welcome and stay tuned. If you want to remain Atieno the creator family, please do want to subscribe and hit that notification bell so that anytime I post my video, you will be the first person to watch that video. Today, I am going to show you how to open your YouTube channel just using your mobile device. A lot of people, they are thinking maybe opening YouTube channel, you need to have like laptop or tablet. No, you can open your YouTube channel by using your mobile device. And I'm going to show you step by step how to open your channel by using your mobile device. And before even you think how to open your YouTube channel, the first thing you need to have is a Gmail. You need to have a Gmail first before thinking to open your YouTube channel. What you need to do is to sit down first and think, when you open your YouTube channel, what kind of the videos are you going to post on your channel? Because you can't just wake up, because you have a YouTube channel, you can't just wake up and today post a video about comedy and tomorrow post a video about traveling, or post your video another day about YouTube tutorial. This platform, you can't post anything anyhow the way you can do in another platform. In this platform, you can't just post anything the way you want. You need to sit down and think first. If I have my YouTube channel, which kind of the video am I going to post in this channel? And after knowing what you are going to post for people to watch, go on and open your YouTube channel. And after opening that channel, don't just rush and start posting your videos immediately after opening your YouTube channel. You need to use that channel to watch people's video, to like people's video, or even to share people's video. YouTube will know that this person is already engaging with people. At the time you will start posting your videos, YouTube will push your video to some audience to start watching your video. But remember, if you know that your channel is still new, don't expect that when you post your video, you will get views or you will get more views as you expected. No. This platform, you will get disappointed, and it's allowed. You know, your videos to disappoint you, they will disappoint you, and it's allowed. What you need to know, after opening your channel, start filming your video. You need to have like 5 video, 6 video, or 7 videos, or even 10. Film your videos, edit your videos and save them. Don't film, edit and post immediately. No. Just edit your videos and save them. And after saving your videos, you need to know how you will be posting your videos. You can't post video 2 videos per day or 3 videos per day. You need to ask yourself, how am I going to post my videos on my channel? Am I going to post 1 video per week? Am I going to post 2 videos per week? Or am I going to post 3 videos per week? You need to know what you need to do with your channel. And when you post your first video, you may not get views, but don't give up. Just give a YouTube time, or just give your channel time to pick up. Just post 1 video per week, so that the more you post your video, the more you are going to continue filming your video and editing them and save them on your device, so that when you post this, you post this. There's no way you can film your video today, like today, edit that video today and later post that video today. You will be lying. You can't do that. You need to have time to film, to edit. Maybe you film and you did a lot of mistake in that video. You need to start correcting the time you start editing that video. You will be correcting some mistakes. And by the time you start editing the new video, remember you still have some videos on your mobile phone, which you know that you will be continue posting per week or 2 videos per week. This video, I am only going to show you how to open your YouTube channel using your mobile device. And by the time, I will be doing a video how to describe your channel, how to put your thumbnail, how to place your profile, and how to put your tags. Even your channel need to have keywords according to your niche. Remember, you need to have your niche. That's your idea of opening your channel and start posting your videos. Maybe you are posting about traveling. You need to have keywords. Your niche will tell YouTube that this person is posting video about this thing and this thing. Remember that your niche is going to make YouTube to recommend your video or make YouTube to push your video to get views and to get likes. Without wasting our time, let's go to our screenshot so that I can show you how to open your YouTube channel using your mobile device. Just open your phone and then click on your YouTube app. On phone you will see the sign written U. Click that sign. Then it will bring you direct to your Gmail account. When you see your name appearing like this, like mine, Atieno, this is just my Gmail account. So, you see, after my name here, you will see down create a channel, because this is just a Gmail which I am using to watch some people's video with my YouTube app. So click create channel. This is what you are going to see. And then here, name Atieno. Remember, this is my Gmail account. This is when I know you have your Gmail account. When you come in this option, you will click icon pencil. You see, this is where you are going to, either when you want to change your name or when you want to use the same name like this. Let's try, like, maybe I want to change this name. I will just delete this. Just change a name. Life of Atieno, the creator. So let's just call this Life of Atieno, the creator. When I use this Life of Atieno, the creator, I am going to use different videos from those videos I am using to post on this channel of Atieno, the creator, because this is life of, and remember, this is Atieno, the creator. I'm creating something. You can just change any name you want, and then after this, click save. You see, you have already changed your name. If you don't want to use the same name, you can just come down here and change your handle name. It's allowed to change your handle name the way you want. After changing the name, you can just go on and click save. You see, and down here you will see create channel. You see, channel created. So let's try this. You see, after changing my name from my Gmail name, my name it's going to appear like this. Even you, if you change the name from your Gmail name, that name you have changed, it's going to appear on your channel like this. And this is how it is simple to create a YouTube channel using your mobile phone. And after that, when you come down here, you will see create. Here you can create any video, you can upload video, you can create short, but you can't go live without 50 subscribers. After creating a YouTube channel, don't start posting videos on that channel. You need to use that channel to watch people's video. Give it like 1 month so that they will start recognizing you. You know, you can subscribe to someone's channel and that person can come and subscribe to your channel too. Start engaging with people before start uploading videos on your channel. I hope this will help you too much, because I know a lot of people out there, they just have their smartphone, they can watch people's video, but they still don't know how to go through and open their own YouTube channel. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like, share and comment. We will meet in another video. I will be showing you how to use your YouTube studio. Apart from your YouTube app, we are going to learn how to use our YouTube studio to go into deep our channel and create a lot of things.